And what's up, everybody? What's up? Today's smoothie of the day, health tip of the day on the Smoothie Cast. Simple smoothie: mango, strawberry, coconut cream, organic coconut cream, going in the blender. So let's get it started, huh? Let's see, how is that looking? That looks like ass. There we go. Actually, it's not mango, sorry. Pineapple, strawberry, coconut. This is for my during workout energy. Yeah, just a little bit. It's gonna be a nice pink color. We're gonna add water in this one since we're adding coconut cream. I don't know, let's say maybe about 12 ounces of water. And then we're gonna go coconut cream. Now, nice big scoop. There you go. Good fats. I love coconut, so you can even eat it. Wow, that's good. Unsweetened, which means no added sugars. Wow. Look at that. I could just scoop it out and eat it. All right, here we go. You know what? Come with me, because we're gonna finish this smoothie in less than 4 minutes. But we're gonna add almond milk, just a little creamier. There you go, just a little bit. That was probably 1/4 of a cup. Get this thing going. Final look. That looks pretty fucking good. Oh yeah. Let's see. Sorry, screen's a little. One more. Wow. I might give that a 9 out of 10. Your turn. Go live a healthy lifestyle. Modern living. See ya!